Hello, kids! Let's learn about toys today. Teddy bear. This is a teddy bear. I love my teddy bear. I hug my teddy bear. Ball. This is a ball. I throw the ball. I catch the ball. I kick the ball. Toy robot. This is a toy robot. The robot can walk. Blocks. These are blocks. I build with blocks. I make a tower. Cooking toy. This is a cooking toy. I cook with toy food. Let's make yummy food. Toy train. This is a toy train. Choo-choo! It goes fast. I love my train. Toy book. This is a toy book. I open the book. I look at the pictures. Toy car. This is a toy car. It goes vroom, vroom. I play with the car. Xylophone. This is a xylophone. I like to play the xylophone. It makes a happy sound. Wow, so many toys. I love all my toys. Do you love your toys too? Bye-bye, kids. See you next time.